out what the difference is.
Oh my gosh, that hurts, but it looks better, I guess. Does it look better?
Not really. What they did also was
No.
All right, let's go ahead and just raise your hand and let's give me some differences. All right? What's up?
I said that.
All right, what was your original meal? How many calories was your original meal?
My original meal was it'd be 340.
You're 340. All right, what's your new meal? What's that? 680? So we have like a 300 plus calorie difference between them, right? That's huge. That's huge, huge, huge.
I just need 2 more hot dogs.
All right. How about somebody else? What's their difference?
My difference is 660.
Oh man, what was your starting meal? Or where was it from first?
Burger King.
Burger King. All right.
Chili cheese.
All right.
That was 230, and then the double Whopper with cheese.
All right.
990.
All right. Yeah, huge difference, right? All right. How about a couple more? Couple more.
My Burger King started at, let's see, 570, and now it is 880.
You're supposed to make healthier choices.
Well, they switch it around.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, that's
All right. So that's huge.
Hey, wait, which one are we on?
870, 590. All right, so like 400 calorie difference, right?
Which one are we on?
We're shouting out differences from your first meal to your second at the same place.
I was at 480 and now I'm at 270.
All right, almost cut it in half, right? That's huge. All right, what did you order the first time?
The hot dog.
The hot dog. All right, what did you order the second time around?
Just the cheeseburger.
Just the cheeseburger. All right, so a little hot dog is more calories than a whole cheeseburger, right? That's crazy. All right. Does everybody understand why we're doing this?
Because we need to our weight.
All right, yeah, just to find out how many calories you're actually consuming per day. All right, this was one meal, and a lot of you, I'm sure, are on these higher ends here, right? All right, so when you go, fast food's okay, right? Once in a while, but we need to make sure we're making those right choices at those fast food places, correct? Everybody on board with that? Thumbs up if we understand. All right, good deal. All right, last thing we're going to talk about right now is BMR, Basil's metabolic rate. All right, who can tell me if they know what that is? I'll be pretty impressed. All right, so we talked about BMI, right? What's BMI?
Oh, body mass.
Body mass index, very good, right? It's a comparison to fat, to muscle, and bone structure in your body. Correct? Correct. All right. Your Basil's metabolic rate is how many calories your body burns if you literally just laid there all day long, right? It also tells you how many calories your body needs to function at 100%. Okay? So those two numbers are the same. So we're going to figure out what your all's BMRs are, okay? So before we start, we need to do a little bit of calculation here, okay? So, because we need our weight in kilograms. Can anybody tell me how to convert pounds into kilograms? Anybody? Anybody? You go ahead and divide by 2.2. So take your average weight, all right, whatever you think you're around, and go ahead and divide it by 2.2. Your weight in pounds divided by 2.2. All right, and go ahead and write that number down because we'll need it.
Oh, whoa, mine's like head on.
Oh, wow. So,
You must not have been.
Divided by
2.2. All right, so to find out
Then you went like this.
pounds into kilograms, we divide by 2.2. Okay? If we figured that out, let's move on. All right? Take your height in inches. You can't figure that out. Take how many feet you are, multiply it by 12, add the extra inches. So if you're 6'6", take 6 times 12, add 6 inches. All right? You're going to take that number, your height in inches, and you're going to multiply it, all right, right, by 2.54. You're multiplying your height in inches, right? So inches. This is pounds. All right, and this will give you your height in centimeters. So your height in inches, multiply it by 2.54. All right, we'll give your height in centimeters, and this is kilograms. That is cool. All right, how many of you are this far so far? Everybody caught up?
Yeah.
Good deal. All right, now we're gonna do a couple calculations. All right, and then towards the end we got to split off because it's different male to female. All right, but all stick with me here. So you're gonna take your weight in kilograms. All right, you're gonna multiply it by 10. So 10 times your weight in kilograms, right? Would anyone mind sharing what your number is?
727.2.
72.7 what?
727.2. That's what I got.
727.2?
Yeah. That's just what I got.
Okay. All right, how about for a male? Does a male mind sharing? Sal, what did you get, bud? Anybody? You guys out there willing to help? Nobody. All right, let's move on. All right, then you're going to take 6.25 and multiply it by your height in centimeters. Gotcha. Wow, that's good. Instantly. All right. All right. Then you're going to take 5 times your age in years. So 14, 15, 16, however old you guys are. Right here. So, once we get this, we're going to take our weight times 10. You're going to add it to this number that you came up with, 6.25 times whatever your height was in centimeters. Add those together. All right? Then you're going to subtract it from your age, 5 times your age. All right? And this is where it gets different. For men, you're going to add 5 at the very end. For females, you're going to subtract 161. That's all. 161. Does everybody understand that? It should be like 2,000 something, right? Maybe lower. All right. Maybe I'm in the 2,000s, whatever, big guy. Yeah. So, has everybody got that number? No. Well, raise your hand if you need help calculating it. Anybody need help calculating it? Remember, males add at the end 5. Females subtract 161. Who has not gotten that number yet? Everybody figured it out? Alright, let's take a couple examples. What was your number? 1,570.1. Right? Hey guys, we're almost done. Let me just finish up here. Alright? So this is how many calories she would burn if she just laid there all day, lounged, not consumed anything into her body, no water, no nothing, right? But that number is also how many calories your body needs to survive per day, right? To be at your 100%. At your 100%, that's how many calories she needs to consume per day, right? Does that make sense to everybody? All right, so just a little discussion to close it out here. What does this number tell yourself about you? Right? Just, I mean, we can shoot out some things, right? So raise your hand if you had it. All right. All right, maybe how healthy you are, right? Not necessarily, but I mean, that's a good indication, right? Because all of our body mass index are going to be different, right? I'm a lot taller than a lot of you. Mr. Beranek's way taller than all of us, right? So it might take him, just because he's a little bit bigger, right? A little taller, stronger too. All right, possibly stronger, right? That he's going to have to consume a lot more calories than somebody, you know, a little bit smaller. All right. What else does it tell us? How much you should be eating per day, correct? Yeah. So if we want to lose weight, right? Remember how many calories are in a pound? Closer. 3,500 calories in a pound. So if we want to burn weight, right, but we still want to be at 100%, we should probably shoot for this number, right? It's way less than 3,500, but yet your body's going to be able to function. So if we go ahead and eat, let's just say 1,600 calories, your body's going to function just fine, but you're still going to burn those extra calories. Does that make sense? Okay, anybody else? What does that number tell you about yourself? Yeah, absolutely. And not even age, you know, it takes all these things into consideration, your height, your weight, and then your average age overall, right? So, like I said, everybody's going to be different. You know, somebody else your age is going to be taller than you. That number's going to change right? Your body. All right. Did anybody learn anything today? Good. Good. All right. Thank you guys for your time. There is something on your Google Docs. All right. If you guys just want to type up just a little bit, like 2 to 3 paragraphs about, you know, what today's lesson brought to you. All right. What insight you guys got, how it opened your eyes. It's on the Google Docs.
Google Classroom, Google Classroom. There's a spot for you to upload a document. Do a 3-paragraph. Let's just do 2 paragraphs, 4 sentences. Okay, each paragraph, and then have your reflection. Show them the path or just prevent them. We need to see now what you guys learned, so you make some adjustments or keep the lesson the same. Get on there, get graded on that also. So get on there for the main period here. We're going to take 10 minutes to write that maybe out. And then what we do is
Any other questions before I get out of here? Nope. All right. Hey, thank you guys.